Tamimi was founded in 1989. Today is the largest law firm in the Middle East, and it started as a small litigation firm, and today we provide legal services across the board in all sectors, helping our local clients, government here, and our international clients to expand their works throughout the Middle East. And we're very fortunate we're founded in Dubai and managed to grow with the growth of the UAE and the United Arab Emirates, but also we have a very good presence in other cities in the Middle East. We work very closely with our clients as well as the governments here in the region, but we are very proud of the lawyers that we have in the firms and the expertise that we have managed to put it under one roof.
Tamimi has the largest healthcare practice in the region. It's what we call a full-service healthcare practice. We currently have 35 lawyers who focus on healthcare across the region, across our 17 offices and 9 countries. So those lawyers will be specialized in certain areas, setting up healthcare businesses, assisting clients with commercial contracts for healthcare businesses, and undertaking the full range of all other healthcare service needs. Leases for hospitals and clinics, employment law lawyers to deal with the licensing of healthcare practitioners, and also the wider, perhaps less obvious areas like intellectual property, making sure that brand is protected.
The organisations that we work with in the healthcare sector are across the entire spectrum of the healthcare industry. Primarily, we support operators in the healthcare market in the corporate and commercial field. So corporate support for us would be the startup of new entrants into the market, structuring their businesses, mergers and acquisitions, joint ventures, and IPOs, so listing on a primary market. The challenges that our clients have faced and which we've helped them resolve have been numerous. We've been active in the healthcare industry for many years now. In fact, we've helped a number of operators right from the initial stage whereby they were developing their strategy. The IPO market has been particularly significant. Since 2005, Tamimi & Company has been involved in some capacity or other in every single IPO that's occurred in the country, and these have included the 3 transactions which involved the healthcare sector, namely the NMC healthcare listing, the Al Noor listing, as well as the Asta DM healthcare transaction.
As you know or are aware about the 8 principles that have been launched by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President and the Prime Ministers and the ruler of Dubai, that Dubai is a business capital. And that's basically encouraged by having a friendly economic environment, as well improve the competitiveness in the market. And from there, our investment strategy for healthcare has been approved in 2017 by the Crown Prince Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. From that strategy, we built up almost 6 important initiatives, and one of them is the investment guide. And the investment guide, basically, it will give a real good insight to the investors, and it will give them a lot of overview what's the opportunities and the gap in the market and where they need to be or they would like to invest. So we have a strong relationship with Tamimi as they supported us in our initiatives, which is part of our investment strategy, especially in governance and incentives, where they try to help and navigate and make the process more easier for our clients, as well to the private sectors, whether it's a local or international.
How we work with our partner law firms overseas is that we just work as one team. So to our clients, they would know that they've got Tamimi and Bev in Britain, but actually they wouldn't feel that at all. We just work as one team. So there's just myself and Andrea and whoever's in the team doing the work. If it's a UK client that's entering into an opportunity overseas, we would start the documentation, and then Tamimi would work with us on any local legal requirements and the context and the sort of getting the deal through, because they know the people on the ground there. But essentially we work as one team. We obviously have contacts and lots of partnering arrangements overseas. So if, for example, if it was in the Middle East, we'd speak to our partner law firm Tamimi, and they may have some on the ground knowledge of the project that we don't have, and they could share that with us. So we can share our thoughts and market knowledge on any opportunities.
Well, the healthcare sectors in the Middle East has been booming. Government has realized the importance of these sectors for the continuity of the governments, the community here. And Tamimi has developed the expertise in different sectors to be able to provide them either to set up here or to grow their business, or possibly acquire some of the businesses or invest in some of the privatization that governments offer in the region.